All right, what's up, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and just go over the trade of the week. Obviously, a pretty slow week last week. Felt like kind of a shakeout before that holiday run that we usually see. We'll see if that actually comes to fruition. You can see futures are up 18 and a half right now, and also you can see. NASDAQ futures up as well, but we'll stick with floor and the core here for the trade of the week. As you guys can see, this was the chart at the end of the week. We got positioned in this one. Let's see. Last week, pretty early in the week, we got in this one on Monday, so that would be the 7th right here. We entered on this candle here at the end of the day, and you can just kind of see where we closed. We just closed above this volume node right here on the left side here. We closed just above it, and we entered the trade at 3:45 p.m. So it looked pretty good to stay above that volume node. Now, on Tuesday, we got an early shakeout, and I'll actually go to the hourly later, but let's stick with the entry. So we got this W bottom, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. So we got the W, right? And then we're building out basically the neckline on this W bottom, and we build kind of a deep pullback handle here, little deep V here. But like I said, we closed over this volume node on the entry, and that looked pretty strong because we've got big volume at the bottom here, big volume at the bottom here, low volume on this right shoulder sort of handle that we're building, very low volume, and then the day we enter, we get this volume right here. So double the previous day's volume on a nice green candle. So you can see on Tuesday, the volume comes in, and originally we pull back. So we pull back early in the morning, and I'll go ahead and show you on the hourly here. So this is our entry right here. It's the 1530 candle, closed just over that volume node there. On the hourly, you can see the close, we're just above, and then on the short term, point of control is right there, and we close above it with kind of a flag here. Now we break that flag on the first hour on Tuesday, so big red candle, but as you can see, not a lot of volume on that opening candle, so it didn't really scare me all that much. We still have low volume here, and then we get some volume coming in. We get this trace volume here on the 1130 candle, and then we get this big volume candle here. Volume keeps coming in, keeps us going up. Volume keeps coming in, keeps us going up. And let's see, we started filling on Wednesday. So this was the close on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we started closing on this candle right here. We sold 50% at 480, got rid of another 25% at 510, filled another 15% at 520. Still holding 10% runners. I think I have like a couple contracts left just to see where this flag goes. You can kind of see it. It's kind of a pretty flag going on here, but it caught an upgrade on Wednesday. Just had the runners, got that big candle, kind of came back down with the market, but closed above this volume node on the hourly at the end of the week. So we may get a pop to get out of those last few contracts. But so that's the hourly. So you see the double bottom, you see the volume in the bottom. This is earnings. kind of sold off on earnings, but then you have buyers step in, push it all the way back up to the point of control. Then it falls right back down. You have buyers step in again, push it back up, and then we form this kind of pullback handle. And then we get the pop over this 85.90 really quickly. Worked out really, really quickly for us, and the volume was what's key. You guys will hear me in the room all the time. I'll talk about volume. I'll talk about volume all the time. And it really is key for some of these intraday moves to get that volume to pick up. So you start seeing these big candles, these $3 candles in a $80 stock or whatever. So you can see, again, the W with this little pullback handle, pulled back on the daily all the way into the 21, but you notice held the 21 and the 14 the whole time. And then on this candle, tested the 14. Huge buyer reaction on Tuesday off of not even the 14, didn't even get down to the 14, but off the 8th day, and then back up. And now we're flagging again. So what I'll do now is I'll wait for this 8th day to see if it's going to catch up. And then I may add maybe a January strike, maybe some January 90s or January 95s, as this looks like it's headed to 100 probably sometime in the next month or so. But just kind of a picture perfect chart, and got the instant reaction we were looking for. It helped that the volume came in, also helped RSI wasn't too overheated, and so we rode that momentum. These moving averages still separating all the way up. Nice reaction off of that volume node, and that's generally what I'm looking for in most of my trades. I want to see, I pick out levels based on these volume, and then I want to see price reaction off of that. So we'll see what the week has in store for us. I think it should be a pretty good week into the holidays. We'll see. Vaccine going out, stimulus deal looks like it's probably going to get through this week. So maybe a week or two here to take advantage of a push in the market before possible pullback into maybe the end of the year with some profit taking, or maybe a slump in January. Market feels overheated right now, so just being selective with our picks right now. We get a decent pull, and put in a bottom, we can get more aggressive. But right now, we just got to stay selective. Look for setups like this. I'll have some more setups, watch lists, and current positions later this evening as we get ready for the week ahead. Try to make some more money before Christmas. It's been one hell of a year, and appreciate you guys sticking with us, learning, and just generally being really good traders this year. I mean, we've killed it, and we've added a lot of new members that bring a lot to the room. So we appreciate all you guys. Appreciate you sticking with me with this quick video for the trade of the week. Maybe we'll have some more competition next week, hot and heavy for the trade of the week next week. A lot of good setups out there, and they'll be up in the room later tonight. All right. I will catch you guys in the room tonight. Appreciate you guys sticking with me and the 2-year-old screaming outside. So I'll talk to you guys tonight in the room. Thanks. Bye.